Good morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Gold prices edged up as investors closely watch negotiations between the United States and its trading partners, while a firmer dollar capped further gains. The S&P 500 extended gains slightly following the release of minutes from the last Federal Reserve meeting, after Nvidia briefly reached a $4 trillion valuation, and as investors awaited more details on President Donald Trump's trade policy. Robinhood's strategic embrace of blockchain technology and tokenization has fueled a nearly 30% rally in its stock over the past month, highlighting the brokerage's new growth drivers despite regulatory scrutiny of some of its products.
The euro-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair saw moderate gains in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The sterling-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. The Aussie-dollar pair edged higher in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
In the days ahead, the economic calendar will include essential updates and key data releases. These high-impact events are expected to influence market behaviour and could lead to significant price movements. Understanding the importance of these releases is key for strategic planning. Whether outcomes meet, miss or exceed expectations, the market could respond in kind.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to log in tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.
Your trusted choice in online trading.